Yes, sir. There it is, the LG CX, one of the bosses of gaming TVs. Step one, we gotta get up these stairs, man. Not hard at all. The reason why this is one of the most recommended gaming TVs out there, you know what I'm saying? I read a lot of articles, watched a lot of videos on YouTube, etc., etc. And this was a consensus at the top, you know. It's normally placed top 2, if not number 1 on most lists. 120 frames per second, native HDMI 2.1 input, auto low latency mode. So the response on this TV is very, very good. Low latency, 4K, 120 frames per second. And I got my little gaming rig right there. So I got a PC that I can play games on. Ain't the most powerful PC in the world, but I got an i7-8700K in there, along with a 1080 Ti. Something about sitting on that couch, man. Something about sitting on the couch with the controller. Well, for me, my little gaming chair right here. Shout out to Secret Labs for the chair. But something about sitting in the chair and playing on the TV. I'm a TV gamer, dog. I got 1, 2, 3 monitors over here, and I still prefer to play on the TV. So I moved my other TV out of here. It was just this very regular 50-inch Sharp TV. It did have a game mode, and it served me well, but it was a nice little 1080p 50-inch TV. It was cool, but not exactly the best, not cutting edge as far as technology is concerned. So I've been upgrading in probably 4 or 5 years, so it was time. And I figured, why not now? Because I already got the PS5 pre-order, you know what I'm saying? I was very fortunate enough to run up to GameStop, so I should be able to pick it up day 1. So this should be excellent to go with the PS5. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this bad boy up, set it up, see what it's looking like. Let's bust it open. Hey. Alright, so I'm going through the setup, and I'm not gonna lie, the sound came on. I said that sound pretty good for TV speakers. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I just want to demo that real quick. Oh yeah, people that say the sound out of this ain't good, let me turn it down. They tweaking. I'm telling you, they tweaking. And I'm an audiophile. I got monitors in here and everything. It ain't the greatest in the world, but for TV speakers, oh, absolutely acceptable. Absolutely. Oh. Oh. There she is. There she is in full glory. So for starters, I'm just checking out a little trailer. This is the trailer for Antebellum. I do want to see this movie, but I ain't about to pay for it right now. They got it at $20 and I ain't doing all that. But man, this picture quality. And this ain't even like super crazy high quality or nothing. This is just some, you know, pretty regular 1080p content if I'm not mistaken. And it looks simply beautiful. That's just fresh with nothing, man. It looks excellent. Simply excellent. Yes, sir. It's launch day, baby. Now it's time to pick up that PS5. Let's do it. Alright, pull it up. It's a little line outside. Hopefully everybody got pre-orders and everything. Hopefully they probably ain't got no non-pre-orderable stock, so everybody just here waiting for that PS5. Cause I am telling you, if I pre-order and somehow one of these people in line get my pre-order or get my console, I'ma go crazy in that, man. I ain't gonna lie, I'ma go crazy. All right, man, finally got through the line. I get up there and they had that boy on deck. Yes, sir, we in here. So let's get home and unbox it. So we got that girl on deck. Now, my PS4 is right here, right? I want to put the PS5 right here, but you already see the issue, right? I don't know how big a girl. I measured this. This is about 4.5 inches. If I clear under the bar, I can actually raise this top glass. It should be about 4.5 inches in there. Of course, the glass on top, glass on the bottom might have, you know, might do something with heat, but it shouldn't do too much because the back is fully open, the sides are fully open, so the exhaust should still be able to shoot out the back. Should be fine, but I would ideally want to place my PS5 horizontal right here. Based on my setup, there go the CX right there, chilling. So Let's see if I can fit that big healthy girl in there. Excuse the wires, bro. I'm gonna get my life together. Here go that big healthy girl. Come on, PlayStation. Show me something now. Show me some. I know y'all done seen the HUD unboxing, so I ain't even gonna be super trivial with it. I'm excited. I'm ready to get in there. Manual. We know what we're doing. We don't need that. Bust it open. Plate stand in here, of course. Slide that out. Throw this to the side. HDMI 2.1. I already got some HDMI 2.1 cords to connect to my 4K 60 capture card, so don't need that. Another dual shock. I already got one on deck, of course. The power cord. And actually, let me show y'all that real quick. So kind of crazy, but it actually sit on there real easy, a little bit easier than the old charging deck right there. So it just drops and bang, lighten up. Woo! Come on, PS5. And that's also a mini PS5. If you ain't know, it kind of resembles it, the stand, if you hold it up vertical. Anyway, without further ado, let's get Big Susie out. All right, let's see what this old girl looking like. Uh-oh, hopefully I don't do nothing crazy. End up tearing it up, you feel me? Hopefully everything's still in the screenshot. Yeah, that was a little rough what I just did, but that's okay. God got me. God got me! Woo! The excitement is real. This is a big girl, man. There she is! And for people saying that it's heavy, it is pretty heavy, but I lift weights. So it's okay. I don't mind a little extra weight. Woo! Scraping, I know y'all cringing, I know. Yes, sir. We in here, man. Now I'm debating if I'm gonna just take the connections out my PS4 and just plug it in here. I don't know if I'm gonna disrespect my PS5 like that. I mean my PS4 like that, but I probably ain't gonna be playing that too much. Alright, and there's how I got it set up right there. Do you think this glass is gonna be a problem with thermals? Do you think this is gonna be an L? Yes or no? Put it down in the comment section below. Guess I'm gonna find out. The wobble, I ain't too pressed about it wobbling. Everybody said, well, if you don't put it on the stand, then you know you could tap it and wobble. And that depends on where you got it set up. But the way I got it set up right here, because it's a tight squeeze, this joint ain't moving nowhere. Moving nowhere. And there's my baby. I'll never forget you. I promise. I'll never forget what you did for a brother. But today is a new day. Let's go ahead, boot this thing up. Ooh, she's so clean. Look at her. Look at her. I like the way it look, man, personally. Woo! But I have a heart attack, y'all. This TV doing this thing. Okay, all Gucci. Turn this thing up. Oh! We here. Give me all that display. I need all that. Adjust HDR. This is real critical, man. If you capture gameplay and you upload, FYI, a lot of times you'll see that if you're recording, especially with Elgato, the colors be all washed out and everything. What I found for me is when it's trying to record HDR, you need to set it properly. So if you just do like whatever, I don't care, or you think you want to get an advantage by being able to see in dark spots in games, bruh, do not leave it like this, because your game capture, it'll change how the PlayStation is outputting this information. So it'll look like trash, bruh. Trust me. So what you want to do is make sure it's blank for real. And I'm gonna go back, boop, just to where I could barely see it. Right here, same thing. Light. I'm talking about I click it where I can just, where it literally pops like that. I don't know if y'all can see it on the camera, but it just you could barely see it for real. And if you adjust this properly, then it'll make your colors look a lot better when you capture gameplay. But anyway, I'm gonna set this up, man. I'm so excited. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me if you think the way I got this PlayStation set up right here is gonna be an L in the long run. Do you think it's gonna be a big deal? Yes or no? Next video, I'm gonna be playing some Astro's Playroom. Whew, just ride with your boy, man. Anyway, peace.